Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're doing a trade recap for NQ. So I'm just going to go over my trades. Took 2 trades this morning in pre-market on NQ, having 1 loss and 1 win. And yeah, we're just going to go over my bias, my analysis, and all that stuff. And to start, we're going to be talking about this premium wick right here. So that's constant encroachment of that wick. I saw that during lunch session we trade up to that right here. From there, price started dumping a little bit, accumulating. Saw this SMT right here, and then we dumped some more. Then I zoomed out a little bit. I saw these relatively cool lows down here that immediately caught my eye. That's why I went for this first trade right here, where price retraced back into this fair value gap here. I had my stop loss above this order block here, and TP at those relatively cool lows down there. And yeah, that was a loss, and price retraced back into the 7-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna show you guys right here, right there. See, then I was wiring its constant encroachment. I really want to see price stay in the lower half of this and not trade at all, ideally in the upper half. Once I saw this reaction here off its constant encroachment and the candles failing to close above the upper part, I entered a short, having my stop loss above this high. Okay, and yeah, and price dumped. I set my stop loss at break even, and we had this fair value gap here that I was monitoring as well. Price retraced back into that, tested its constant encroachment right here. So again, middle part of this a couple times here. These are the bodies. This candle is a little weird, but essentially you can see how we respected constant encroachment each time and failed to trade above that. And then price dumped during the 8 a.m. macro. So yeah, that was my win. That was like a free 0.14 RR trade. So yeah, we're ending green on the day, pretty good. Then I talked about right here, what happened here was essentially TGIF. So at that time, because during New York AM session we trade higher, at that time I'm gonna draw the, let's see here, weekly high and weekly low. Alright, wait, what the hell's going on? There you go, zoom in. So this is the weekly time frame. Just gonna draw this right here. How do I do this actually? I'm trying to get that high, that London high. Let's see. Like this, I guess. We'll do it this way. TGIF. There you go. Okay, perfect. At that time, this was the TGIF, so this is 20% and 3% retracement on the total weekly range, the weekly candle, and you can see the way we reacted off of this 3% right here. So I can even do this to show y'all right here, and you should see. Come on, do right there. Okay, so 20% retracement, 3% retracement. Notice the bodies, and then from there we just pumped. From there, I was very bullish, looking at the target I give people in my Discord actually right here, and then we're actually looking at this. We had 2 targets for this week. We had this high and then this daily CB here. So looks like we're not going to be able to trade all the way up here. Yeah, PM session. To be honest, I don't have much expectations for PM session. Now the TGIF is more looking like this because this is the new high. So I want to see how we trade. You can see the way we reacted and traded the 20% and 3% of the weekly range here. So that's pretty interesting. I'm going to be studying that throughout PM session. And yeah, that was it. That's pretty much all I had to say. Those were my trades for today. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. And if you guys need more or want more, you can join my free Discord. I'll link that up under this video. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a nice week and wish y'all a good weekend. Peace out.